Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. While the hand generator like this one of this size and style is out in the countryside doing a field test, let's make another hand generator but with a different concept. Here is a test of concept for a style which is a yo-yo kind of situation. Pull the string and it goes. It only goes every second pull because I don't have a bridge rectifier on it. But let's remake this and improve it a little bit. Now I'm going to need a flywheel. This one here was quite a wide one because it has a lot more inertia to it, but I think I'll try it a little bit more solid and slightly smaller. And also I used a broom handle in the other one. I think I'll use something a little bit thinner so that it'll get more revolutions when I pull it a little bit faster. So I have my circle with the shaft through it. Now I have a motor here. I made a wooden pulley for it. It also has its bridge rectifier and it's on a block of wood. So that's what I'm going to use as my generator. So we're going to need two sides out of a piece of board like this, and it's going to go here. That block will become the end and another one down here. The pulley is going to go in here somewhere and I will then chop it off to length. I'm going to screw this side on just so that I can get it on and off to get the pulley in and out. Now, I normally would have liked to have the pulley running off here on this side of the pulley and have the yo-yo string on this side, but because it's a fair distance here I could do that, but I think I'll give it a try and see if I can sneak it in from the inside here to the inside of here. So I'm going to put a pulley onto there for that from here to there. So just draw a circle and then cut that pulley. Cut the groove for the pulley. So there it is back on there, and it will now, yes, with a rubber band, be fine there. I may replace that with a neoprene O-ring. I will trim both sides off of that stick so that it sits down into the box. Just put a little pilot hole down the center of that to then nail a nail in. I will now drill a hole through both sides, clamp one side on top of the other so that I get them both in the same position. I'm going to put a couple bearings made out of scrap sheet metal, just cut with a pair of tin snips, hole through it, over there, bend the little spikes down, stick it over the hole and nail that down. There we have it assembled, and I also put a hole in the axle there to thread a string through with a knot on the end so that you can wind it up. And when you wind it up, it tends to wind off there and get into the bearing. So another little circle is there to stop that happening. And also down here at the generator itself, so that it would line up a bit better, I had to countersink that a little bit there. But basically there it is, ready to go. It actually spins extremely well, and the light is probably too much voltage. I'll have to regulate that, but it's actually pretty good. So in the next version, I think I would probably make this wheel a little bit smaller because there's enough volume in that and weight in it to save enough energy to get the string to wind up again. I'd also split it in two and replace the little one with one of them so that you've got two of the same size with the string in between, and take that pulley and put it on the outside just as I had thought in the first place. I'd probably use some slightly thinner timbers so that it's a little bit lighter and a little more compact. And also I'd add a capacitor bank or a battery to save some energy to take out that pulsing in the light while you're pulling the string. But otherwise, it's actually pretty darn good. I like it. Works fine. Quite a success.